If you know they like me, just tell me. All right.
I'll think about it. Okay, and then I'll let you know.
Okay.
What?
Anyways. So yeah, we think we're ready to carry on, right?
Yes, guys, if you missed the first session, we spoke to Malcom Nuna, and he just let us in on his life so far, how he's handling fame, education, what he's been up to in recent times. He's released a few songs, one of which you just listened to. So let's just go and see what people are saying on social media, and then we'll jump into game time. All right, Jason, are you going to read, or I should?
Okay, let me just get into a few. Then carry on. From Sako, dear, Nuns, Vibro Cat. Wow, these names, right? Hey, bro, your tune, dear Bado. The thing and Kasa, you do. Okay, so Mark, I guess obviously he's talking to you. Yeah. Asante just said, when is the song with Jackie coming out? Tell us about that. Is there a song Jackie in place?
Nah, but I'll see if you want me to.
Have you thought about it?
Yeah, I actually have.
Okay.
That'd be cool though.
Yeah,
I mean, she's doing really well right now.
Yeah, she is. So.
Cool.
All right. So Sandra and Shroja, Mayfair Pearls, she says, bro, you for make Wild release some mad album where people make we expect for top. Oh, he's actually released an album already.
We already have an album out.
Yeah.
That's one thing about making music. I think we spoke to EO, right?
Yeah.
And then he said there was a time when he releases music, not just a time. 3 days, people want more music. Yeah. How do you deal with that pressure? And is there any pressure from your fan base?
Nah, I wouldn't say it's pressure. It's like, you see, if someone likes something you do, they'll actually want more. Like, if your mommy do some nice jollof beef, even though you're satisfied, you still want more. So that's how it is. So you just have to know that you've done something good. That's why they want more.
That's a nice way of saying something.
I like that. Now let's talk about features, right? You featured Kofi Mole on Skrr. That's it?
Kofi Mole, Skrr. Yeah, true.
All right.
And I featured Famille, The Outog, Dead People. Yeah, a lot of features on the album. LaRusso. Yeah.
Okay. Are those your features because those are the people you can easily access, or you're looking to climbing up? I mean, we have A-listers and B-listers and all of that. Are you looking to, moving up?
Yeah, honestly, I feature based on relationship. Because you can do a song with someone really big, and like, if you don't really have that relationship with them, they won't push it. Right? Yeah, it has to be organic. They won't really push it or the way you want them to. Like, if L is my brother, like, he's my bro, you understand? He will love the song because he's my bro, and you push it as much as I expect him to push it. But if you go hit someone, a total stranger that you don't have a relationship with, you won't get the energy you really want back. So that's how I see it. Okay,
so if I understand what you're saying, you'd get to that point where you'd want to have a relationship with those people.
I like to build a relationship before.
And then you do
before we can actually enter the studio and make something up. We have that relationship, so
I think
we
that's
get a nice vibe.
That's good, but Varsky, he doesn't reply WhatsApp messages. We have a good relationship, but he doesn't reply WhatsApp messages.
That's like a later matter.
Varsky, I'm sending beats, man. What's happening?
All right, so let's just get to more of the social media messages. Vivian Ikia, she says, when are you going to release your next single? And then Manuel Lufori says, who are your top 5 Afrobeat musicians of all time, Ghana and beyond?
Wow, that's a tough question.
Well, top 5 is no numbers, right?
No. Just say, just put it out there.
Yeah. Kwesi Arthur. Yeah, when Kwesi Arthur does Afrobeats, it's hard. Yeah. Kelvin Boy, Whiskey, Davido, Burna Boy. Camido is really hard. Big shouts to Camido, yeah, that's about it.
So
I can keep going on and on.
That's
and
6.
On. Yeah, that's it.
I think you've 6 over 5.
Your favorite DJ is Varsky, right?
Yeah, DJ
Varsky. I'm going to say just reply on messages. And we're going to work on the beat.
Okay, so I think it's just about the time to jump into the games. Are you ready?
Right. Yeah, I'm
ready. Are you good at acting?
A little, and music videos.
Okay, so what we're going to do is, now this is between Varsky, Lenny, and myself. It's pick and act. It's very simple. All right. But make sure Varsky doesn't see. That's why he's always in shades in the background, so he can, make sure he doesn't see.
This is the first time I've seen your eyes, though.
Really?
For real.
Bad boy. But we have this part of the show where we put celebs on our beautiful screen, then we hide their faces. Let's say your industry friends, so to speak. Then you have to guess. Now we've had Kitty do this, we've had EL do this, we've had Jackie do this, and they all did quite well. So we want to see if you know your friends.
How well
Yeah,
you know
so
them.
to speak. So yeah, let's get straight to it. Let's see if Malcolm knows who our first hidden friend is.
For real?
Yeah, I know.
Yes, I know.
Yeah, I saw no, and I know.
I also know.
So who is it?
Feli Nuna.
I know how you know.
It's the hair, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Belly Nuna. Okay, so yeah, 1 out of 3 so far. Let's see. Who's this?
Bandana. Hey, Charlie, for you come.
Yeah, man.
Bandana,
And if it be your party where you not get on your talk, say, oh, Malcolm, what's up?
I think so.
How?
For, this one they for catch 'em.
This one for catch me.
Yeah.
The hair.
The hair.
Watch the hair.
The hair.
I'm actually confused. I don't even know who this is.
Hey.
Len, you want to try?
I'm really trying to get who it is, but
Rusky, you know who this
Rasky, do you
is?
know who it is?
Money man.
Money man.
Money man. I think we
This
smoke.
one, yeah.
Who's
It
this?
looks, yeah, it looks
Think
like
we
we
smoke?
smoke. Oh.
Okay, same. I think he dropped some new music soon.
Yeah.
Recently, sorry. So, yeah, guys, go check it out. Now, okay, 1 out of 2. Okay. Wow.
Oh, this
guy
one is
was-
easy.
Oh, this is so easy.
He doesn't even look
It's
Ghanaian.
so easy.
He doesn't
Those
look
Ghanaian.
Eh.
No, I'm just saying, like, what's this? Okay, anyway.
The singlets.
It's a singlet, so you should know.
No, I mean the muscles, like.
So, what's
I
in
haven't
Rusky? We don't
seen-
have muscles.
Wait, what are you guys doing?
No
this to
matter
me?
what, we are going to
Hold
put our
on.
hats inside the conversation.
I
Malcolm,
mean,
who is it?
I can't wrap my mind around it. So,
This is Bosom Pion.
Bosom
Bosom
Pion.
Pion,
Okay,
yeah.
let's see if you're right. Yeah.
wow, you've seen that picture before, right?
No, but like,
but it's
he
a
wears
singlet.
a singlet.
Oh, the muscles. Oh,
So, yeah, 2 out of
okay.
3. You know your friends. You know your
Yeah, I
friends.
do.
Who are you close to in the music industry, though?
I'm close to Yautog, La Russo, Famille. Yeah, dead people. Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah,
That's cool. Okay, so you got 2 out of 3, like we said, and yeah, we have this game just to see how our superstar guests know their friends, so to speak, in the
And 2
industry.
out of 3 is good.
Yeah.
2 out of
2
3
out
is
of 3 is
really
really good.
good. Really good.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's really good. It's really good. But now, okay, this is the part where we see if you really know how to act. And like I said, I always win, but you know,
What are you saying?
I always win,
Really? Like,
but no,
really?
okay, so we can't see it.
No,
we
we
can't
can't.
see it.
Let it really. You
Okay.
can't see it.
Okay.
So what we're going to do is you pick, and then you act, right? And then we're going to guess. We can't see. We're not allowed to see what's on the paper. And
Lenny's
yeah,
watching.
I can't even see, really.
Lenny has good eyes.
Hey.
Your fans are watching, so you have to act. You might be in a movie one day. Okay, let's see how good he is.
Okay, let's hear it.
Okay, so act it out.
So I have to act it out.
Yep. Everyone has done this. Everyone who has a
I
has
have
done
to
this.
do what?
Yes, what the
I
paper
can't
says.
just-
No, anyhow you want to do it.
I mean, it's up to us to guess. So.
Yeah.
I can't see though. You,
Her.
all of us.
You beautiful shape. Come
How'd
on.
you have been to? You have a big behind.
Squats.
Hey,
Why am I not surprised?
Squash, you got it right. She got it.
Why am I not surprised?
they do it.
Okay.
They do it.
Why am I not surprised?
But if you squat, you forget big potatoes.
Yeah,
you see
I don't
so,
squat.
So why my own
I,
day?
Okay, next one. What's this? Boat. Row your
rowing.
boat. Paddling.
Paddling.
Wait, I said paddling first.
You said what?
You
Paddling
said
what? A
paddling.
bicycle.
It was like,
Row your boat. Paddling your
there's a
boat.
whole sentence phrase. Yeah, you got it.
Yeah, man.
So what's in there? Row your boat or paddle your boat?
Paddling a boat.
Okay.
I said boat and paddle.
Boss.
Said comma.
Boss, you the paddle
Man.
bicycle.
Okay. Last one, man.
Jason, look sharp.
Just look sharp. I mean,
Coughing.
Yawning.
yawning.
Sleepy.
I said yawning. I
We
said
said it
yawning.
together.
Yawning.
We said
I
it
said
together. We
yawning.
said it
So
together.
anyway, okay, one more just
Okay.
to see who's gonna take it.
Huh?
So I'm gonna assume everybody's on one right now. Next one. Boxing.
Boxing.
Fighting.
I mean,
When you're boxing, you're
she's
fighting.
new on the show, so it's only right.
When you're
I
boxing,
still
Fighting,
got
fighting.
it.
when you are boxing, you are
I
fighting.
still got it.
Anyways, Malcom, big shouts for coming. Where can we find you on social media, Instagram, Twitter, everywhere else? Man?
It's Malcom Nuna, Malcolmnuna on everywhere. Instagram, Snapchat, Trailer, TikTok, anywhere, yeah.
Want
So
to give any shout outs?
big shouts to all my friends back in school. Big shouts to Captured Pixels. Big shouts to Lukin, all my boys, all the girls, nice girls in my DMs. Keep
Wow.
DMing. I love you guys so much. Mwah, mwah. Keep sharing my thing.
Already?
You have a lot of friends in school, yeah?
Yeah, I have a lot.
Yeah, I'm usually in that area, so I'll go.
Yeah, UPSA. Okay,
Yeah,
no problem,
we'll
no
link up.
problem.
Me, I like UPSA. Wow.
Yeah,
It's
the
a
girls
nice
are
school.
very nice.
Yes, it's a
UPSA
very
girls.
prominent school.
Yeah,
And they're
and
doing very well for themselves.
Yeah,
Of
So
course,
are you
of
going
course.
to see him because of him, or you're going to see him
To
because
talk
of the
about
girls?
school, I want to go to school.
about school.
Oh, okay.
Roski.
But you have him here. You're happy. You don't want us to be happy somewhere.
I mean,
Anyways.
enjoy, guys.
Let's back to the music, man. Roski, what we going off with right now? So, yeah, Malcom, again, thank you for coming through. Guys, check me out on social media. I love the energy. Keep it positive. Keep doing your best. Keep performing. I can't wait to hear on a track with DJ Veroski. And
Me too,
myself.
That would be dope.
Yes.
And
that would be
myself.
dope.
Yeah,
That
yeah,
would be
but
dope.
work on that. Work on that.
And myself.
dope.
And Lennon.
And Lennon, of course.
Veroski.
Of
Veroski
course.
featuring Malcom, Jason, and Lennon.
Let's do that.
That would be a
Just
good
said
one.
that.
That would be great. That would
Let's
be
do
great.
that.
With a video.
Yeah.
Looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to that.
Yeah, we're going to be here next week, but Lenny, what do you want to tell your fans and where can we find you on social media?
Oh, everyone on social media, Lenny Lomote. And thanks for having me, Jason.
Yeah.
You did good. I enjoyed doing this with Jason and Varsky as well. I hope you enjoyed the show. And yes, it's
More,
time for
more.
us to bounce. More of what, Jason?
More compliments and good vibes.
Okay, yeah, so I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Like
Yeah.
I said, thank you for sticking and staying with us. Make sure to catch us again next week.